Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to change Disney Plus subscription. Alright, so let's begin with the video. To begin, take your phone and open the Disney Plus app. Once you're in, tap the profile icon located in the bottom right corner, the one that represents your account. After that, scroll down and tap on the Accounts section. This is where things might look a bit different, especially if your subscription is managed through Apple. Go ahead and tap on your subscription. You may see a message from Apple informing you that you're being redirected to an external page. No need to worry, just tap Continue and move forward. Here, simply click on Login button to sign into your account. Once you've logged in, scroll down and select Manage Account at the bottom. Here, you'll be able to see your plan and billing information. Continue scrolling until you locate your current subscription, then tap on it. You'll notice a change option. Tap that. Choose the plan you prefer and follow the next steps, and that's it. So that's basically how you can change Disney Plus subscription. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.